Alright, this new project is going to be a circuit board. I'll be using this rigid battery. I'll measure the dock. 44 millimeters exact. I'll be using a plastic ID card and copper flashing tape. Stick 2 of those flashing tapes on top and mill it down. I'll be milling it down 0.1 millimeter. And as you can see, I failed. So I'll be doing this repetitively. I believe this was the 3rd time. This is just a proof of concept prototype to improve on the method. I'll apply the masking. The UV light, I believe it was 30 minutes. You can set it for 15, it should be fine. Masking removal tool. I didn't like this that much because I don't know what I was doing, and I'll show you the pictures. It looks great. .5 volts. The concept works. So I'll be doing it on fiberglass. Fiberglass cloth. Using 3D printing clear resin. Just cut a square, dip UV resin on top, let it get soaked, dab it a bit so you don't have excess, then burn it with UV light. The base layer would be 2 layers of fiberglass cloth. Same process. This is the 2nd layer. Then I would apply 2 layers of copper tape. Then run the diagram. In this case, I'll be doing the outline first. So I have a neat cut. Do the outline at 0.2 millimeters depth. Then I'll be removing the excess. fiberglass, resin, UV light, and more copper tape. Here's the new layer. And as you can see, there's a little bump in there. That's the circuit from before. I need to figure that out. Instead of figuring it out, I just ran it deeper and deeper until I got good results. Kept going deeper. I think this is the last pass, and it looks like it's cutting neatly. The removal of the excess resin is clear, so it makes it look like the bottom layer is exposed. There's a fiberglass cloth in between. And again, fiberglass, resin, cure, and then masking. We'll be using red to indicate positive leads, using my disposable camera so the sensor doesn't get damaged on the expensive camera. And here are the results. Positive, positive, positive. When you clean it, it looks better. The negative came out like a blob. That's because the white resin reflects a lot of light and it cures the resin around it. And here is the pass for the pads. I went with 0.05 millimeters each pass until the copper was exposed. .05 millimeter pass until the copper was exposed. We'll be doing that for every single pad, individually, to avoid errors in leveling of my resin and my fiberglass. These are the results. The fiberglass strands show I needed more resin. And then the pass through for soldering components. Then a finishing pass all around. That's it. So I made this video for the purpose of using the footage. I have 200 gigabytes of 4K footage that I'm about to delete because I don't have storage. So this is the last of the footage you'll ever see. And the whole purpose of this prototype was to figure out how to process and make my own circuit boards. For OpenSauce 2026, I'll be making flexible circuit boards or pre-shaped circuit boards that are not flat.